Hey everyone, this is Shannon with Smokin the Wild, and on this hot tip, I'm going to show you how to roast garlic inexpensively, very fast, and it'll make anything you cook taste amazing. Stay tuned. We've got olive oil, we've got our gloves, we've got a sharp, good quality kitchen knife, heads of garlic, and I've got aluminum foil, and I've got a baggie ready to go. So let's come on in here. I want to show you exactly how to do this. All right, I've got a head of garlic right here. I've already lopped off basically the teardrop part of this head of garlic. And on the bottom side, you're going to see what was the root system. You're going to lay it on its side. You're going to kind of hold it tightly with your left hand. Just going to cut as close to that root system as you can. All right? And you're just going to saw down. And there you go. And now we've got that head of garlic. Some of the cloves may fall out, some may not. That's okay. Put it in a sheet of aluminum foil. Go ahead and stick these in there. It doesn't matter if a couple of the cloves fell out. It's okay. They're all going to be roasted in the same place. Again, I'm showing you, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Then you're going to take some olive oil and you're going to drizzle over that head of garlic that you've sheared off the teardrop and the root system, and you're going to kind of form a bowl, flatten it out, make it as airtight as you possibly can, and move on to the next step. But don't throw away basically the lid of the garlic clove, because the head of garlic, because we're also going to use that as well. All right, so now I'm going to kick on my air fryer. I'm actually going to put the time at 25 minutes. All right, I'm going to kick the temperature up to 400 degrees. Flatten that in there, slide it in, click start, and in 25 minutes, I'm going to have roasted garlic. All right, the air fryer timer has gone off. Again, you could also do this in the oven, but I've chosen to do it in the air fryer because I have one, it's easy to use, and it's quick. Now, I'm going to take my Hasty Bake grill gloves, but you could also use an oven mitt. We're going to go pull the cloves out, the heads of garlic, and we're going to put it on a plate and let it cool. All right, these have been cooling for about 15 minutes. I've kind of touched them already. They're still a little bit warm. So just pull it off the plate or platter or whatever you're going to use, and then open up the foil. This will help cool them down even more, and then just dump them onto the plate. All right? Again, they're still a little bit warm, but not bad. And just dump the contents onto a plate or a platter, and then we're going to go to the next step. All right, these heads of garlic that have been roasted in my air fryer, they've cooled down, and I'm now going to squeeze them out onto this flexible cutting board. And the reason why I love these, I highly recommend them, is that you can roll them up and then distribute it into the baggie really, really easy. So come on in, let me show you the next step. All right, we've got this head of garlic. Again, the root side was here, we sheared it off. So you're basically just going to squeeze the skin, and you're actually going to squeeze the meat, the garlic meat, right out of them, right onto this platter, on the cutting board, whatever you want, whatever makes it easy to get in the baggie. And they're still going to be a little bit warm even after 15 minutes, but it's not bad. And you're literally, look at that, just going to squeeze it out. And just keep doing that till you're done, and then you transfer it to the baggie. All right, the meat of garlic, if you will, has cooled. We've separated away from the skin, which we'll be throwing away. Now it's ready to transfer to this baggie and stick in the fridge to be able to use for weeks. Whenever a meal that we're making calls for garlic, now we're going to be able to use roasted garlic. It's quick, inexpensive, easy to do. This is your hot tip of the week from Smokin the Wild. Thanks for watching.